Attention Tank 300 owners, we've got the tooling completed, we've worked our way through the production backlog, and we can finally release the suspension kits for the GWM Tank 300. So as I mentioned in the previous video, the ride quality of these things from the factory is really very good. We adjusted that a little bit, particularly in the ride frequencies. So we just changed them a little bit to give the front and rear balance a bit better and make it ride a little bit nicer. We've still maintained that nice plush ride that you get from the factory, but also thrown a little more damping as well to control it with a little more weight, and also just to give us a little bit more damping there to soak up some of the bigger hits when you're off-road. The kit includes front and rear raised-type coil springs with many options available for different weights, and monotube shock absorbers, and also extended rear sway bar lengths to make the most out of all that additional rear shock travel. Righto, we'll just throw in Baja mode and give her a run across these little whoops here. Even at this speed, it's smooth as. There's no Baja mode. These aren't the only benefits that come with the Dobinsons suspension kit. We upgrade to these monotube shocks, 50mm piston. What that really allows us to do is get the valving dialed a little bit better, get it a little more settled. It allows us to soak up a little bit bigger bumps, creates less heat, and allows us a lot better cooling on the shock as well. It's really a great shock.